Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now we will learn about the heart. We all know that heart is a muscular organ and it is about the size of the fist, and it is located in the mediastinum in the thoracic region, left side of the midline, a slight left side of the midline. So it is about 250 to 300 grams of weight, and it has four chambers of heart, that is right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Right side of the heart will contain the deoxygenated blood and the left side of the heart will contain the oxygenated blood. It has four walls, that is atrioventricular walls has two walls, that is tricuspid wall and the mitral walls. Tricuspid walls are present on the right side and mitral walls are present on the left side. And the semilunar walls are of two types, that is pulmonary walls and the aortic walls that prevent the backflow of the. Now we will learn about the cross-section area of the anterior view of the heart. Firstly, the deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium via the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Then it will go to the right ventricle through the tricuspid wall. The wall present between the right atrium and the right ventricle is tricuspid walls. And from the right ventricle, it will go to the pulmonary trunk through the pulmonary valve. The valves that are present between the right atrium and the pulmonary trunk is pulmonary valve. It will go to the lungs for ventilation and purification. Then it will come to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins, and from left atrium it will go to the left ventricle through the mitral valves. The valve that is present between the left atrium and left ventricle is mitral valve. It will go to the aorta through the aortic valves, and then from the ascending and descending aorta it will go to the whole body. So this is the whole circulation procedure. As of now, we have learned that anterior view of the heart and anterior cross-section view of the heart. Now we will see the posterior view of the heart. In the posterior view, we are seeing a aortic arch and a descending aorta through which the oxygenated blood is circulated to the body, and superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and a pulmonary trunk, and the pulmonary veins through which the oxygenated blood comes from the lungs to the left atrium and then to the left ventricle and from ascending and descending aorta to the whole body. As of now, we have seen all the posterior view, anterior view and the cross section view. Now we will see about the systemic circulation of the heart. So we will see how the oxygen is transported to the tissue, and the carbon dioxide is taken from the tissues back to the lungs for purification. In systemic circulation, we will see from the carbon dioxide from the tissues will enter in from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava into the right atrium. Then it will go to the right ventricle. Then it will go to the lungs for purification. The alveoli. In the alveoli, the gaseous exchange occurs. The carbon dioxide moves out of the blood and oxygen comes into the blood. The oxygenated blood now went to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins and then to the left ventricles, and then it goes to the from the ascending and descending aorta to the tissues to the body, and from the body here and the tissues take out the carbon dioxide and takes in the oxygen. So this. Now we will see about the chest x-ray. As we are seeing, there are two lungs, and in these lungs there are angles. On the right lung there are two angles, that is right cardiophrenic angle, and on the left lung there is a angulations or curvatures you can see, and in the left lung also there are two points which we can say as left cardiophrenic angle. Any changes in these angles will lead to pleural effusion, or decrease in angle lead to pleural effusion. So that's all about it. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know which topic you want next to it. Thank you so much.